How much money are you wasting on fees and delays just trying to fund your crypto account? If you're using Kraken, depositing fiat currency, that's your euros, your US dollars, your GBP, is one of the first hurdles you face. And you want to do it right, cheaply, quickly, and securely. I've been through this myself, and the best way to deposit fiat on Kraken almost always boils down to one simple answer: a free, domestic bank transfer method. Let me break down why, and how you do it, based on your currency. Best method by currency. For most users, Kraken offers a few options, but you need to look for the one with zero deposit fees and a fast processing time. For euros, this is almost certainly going to be a SEPA transfer. This is the single euro payments area transfer, and Kraken supports multiple SEPA providers like SEPA Instant, which often credits your account in seconds, not days. Crucially, it's typically free from Kraken's side. For USD, US dollars, the best domestic method is usually ACH via Plaid, if you are a US resident. It's often free and near instant. If you're using a domestic wire transfer like FedWire, it's also free and usually processes in less than one business day. For GBP, pound sterling, look for the FPS, Faster Payments Service, option. Like SEPA Instant, it's often free and can be near instant or processed within a few hours. Avoid using credit or debit cards for deposits. While they are instant, the fees are usually high, often around 3.75% plus a small fixed fee. You're trading speed for a significant cost, which eats into your investment right away. The step-by-step deposit process. The actual steps are straightforward, but you have to be meticulous about one detail to prevent delays. Select currency and method, log into Kraken and navigate to the transfer or funding section, then deposit. Select your fiat currency, say euro. Then, select the specific funding provider with the lowest fees and shortest processing time, for example, SEPA Instant. Get the bank details. Kraken will then display their bank account details. This includes the bank name, the IBAN or account number, and often a BIC/SWIFT code. Find your reference. This is the most critical step. Kraken will give you a unique code, often called a reference code or memo. It usually starts with AA followed by a string of numbers and letters, your Kraken public account ID. You must include this in your bank transfer's reference or memo field. This code is how Kraken automatically credits the funds to your account. Forget it, and your deposit will be delayed for days while support manually tracks it down. Initiate the transfer. Now, go to your personal online bank account and start a new transfer using the details Kraken provided. Enter the amount you want to deposit and, most importantly, paste in the unique reference code. Confirm the name match. Double-check that the name on your bank account exactly matches the verified name on your Kraken account. Kraken will reject funds sent from an account in someone else's name. Once sent, if you've used a fast, domestic method like SEPA Instant or ACH, your funds should show up in your Kraken account very quickly. For standard SEPA or wire transfers, it can take 1 to 5 business days, but usually faster. The best way is always the free, domestic bank transfer option specific to your currency, using the fastest available processor, and always including your unique reference code. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.